Hey guys, welcome to another level 1 MCAT preparation videos question. This is another viewer question from my Facebook page. So if you do have any questions, just drop it in the Facebook page or even in the comment section and I'll try my best to answer the questions. Okay, and so what we have is this particular question here. We've got these two pairs of equations, and what the question is asking us is to figure out P. All right, so we got to figure out P so that there's going to be no solutions to this pair of equations. Now, my first thinking is this is looking like one of those level 2 questions that I've actually done in algebra, but I guess it can be seen as a level 1. But anyway, let's have a look how this question actually pans out. So what I'm going to do is I've got 3x minus 2y equals to 5, and I've got 6x plus py equals to 12. Now I'm going to look at the coefficients of x. So we've got coefficients of x here as 3 and 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to multiply the top equation here by 2. Okay, so when I do this, I'm going to get 3x times 2x, times 2 is 6x, minus 2y times 2 is minus 4y, and then 5 times 2 equals 10. So what they are talking about when there's no solutions. Now, I want you guys to think about this, all right? Basically what we have is like two straight lines here, right? So you've got three situations that could actually happen with straight lines. The first thing that could happen is that they intersect at a point. The second thing that they could have is that they're parallel and they never actually meet. And the third thing is that they are basically the same two equations, which means, let me actually do this slightly differently with different colors so you guys can see this. So the first one is the green and blue line intersect. The second one is green and blue line are parallel. And the third one is actually where you have the green line on top of the blue line. Okay, so basically in this situation, you've got one answer. In this one, you've got 0 answers. And in situation 3, you have multiple answers. Okay, so basically what we're trying to show here is that if these two lines are parallel, then they won't actually meet. Sorry, can I skip away there? So, and for them to be parallel, what that means is that if the p-value equals to, because what we've done is we've kind of said the coefficients of x are the same, and if the coefficient of y is the same, but then the numbers at the end are different, then this is a situation where these two lines are actually parallel. So, in other words, I'm just going to write down that if p equals to minus 4, then the two lines are parallel, and therefore they never meet, and therefore no solutions, because they never actually meet. So let me just show you guys real quickly what this looks like in Desmos. Okay, so what I've done is I've actually done the first graph here, which is 6x minus 4y equals 10, and then my graph with the p. Now remember, we said that if p equals to negative 4, then the two lines will be parallel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a slider. So this is what happens when p is equal to 1. So when p is equal to 1, the two lines actually meet here. And if I go backwards, so if I go to like p as 2, 3, and then so on, you can kind of see that the line is always going to intersect, right? But however, if I go towards the negative side, and we said when p is equal to negative 4, what happens is at negative 4, the two lines end up being parallel, which means they never actually meet. Therefore, it means that they actually have no solutions. So all you got to do is match up the coefficients of x and match up the coefficient of y. And if the two constants are different, then the two lines will actually end up being parallel. So that's what I actually did in the end. I took that first equation and I made it so that it has the same coefficients of x's. And then I put p is equal to minus 4. Okay? Hopefully that helped, guys. That's basically it for this short little video. As always, don't forget to like this video and share this video, and also subscribe to keep up with the latest content, which includes tutorials live at the moment. There should be some playlists popping up here for you guys to check out later as well. So yeah, thank you for watching.